Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. So first, open WhatsApp and go to settings. Next, tap privacy, then select last seen and online. Here you'll see two important settings. First, choose who can see my last seen, and if you want maximum privacy, then you can select nobody. Now look at the option for who can see when I'm online. Select same as last seen. This means your online status will follow the privacy settings you just selected. Now after that, simply go back. The settings should save automatically. Now other people won't be able to see when you're online based on the privacy setting you've chosen. And you need to keep in mind that hiding your own online and last seen information can also prevent you from seeing similar information from other people. So that was how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.